Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to look at the Redmi K30 Pro after 24 hours later review. What the highlight of this device, Redmi K40 and K40 Pro, what the different and how it run PUBG gaming and any heating issues. Everything review in this video. So guys, don't skip the video. Let's get started the video. First look the design. Design wise, I really love this design. Do you like guys? I like this back design. Okay, just compare the Redmi K40 versus K40 Pro. The design wise, both phones come with same design. The volume maker keys, type C port and everything it's same, nothing different. The difference only the phone back pattern. The K40 is shiny back, but the K40 Pro is little bit shiny glass display. Display wise, the both phones come with same 6.67 inches Full HD plus resolution E3 dual-tone AMOLED display. Both phones support 120 Hz touch refresh rate. The chain is a little bit different K40 versus K40 Pro, but it's not noticeable, but it is difference. How to run software? Redmi K40 Pro comes with Android 11 based in MIUI 12.5. Processor Snapdragon 888, its new flagship processor. Nowadays, this processor run all games quite good. It's amazing processor. DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It's really good and best specs. 120 Hz versus Snapdragon 888. It's very smooth and very fluid. Touch responsive. It's really amazing. My experience wise. Benchmark wise, Redmi K40 Pro commute 7 lakhs, K40 commute 6 lakhs 62,000. It's not big, huge difference. It's okay. Okay, let's look the gaming. K40 Pro, maximum brightness, and gaming settings wise, the graphics HD and Ultra, and it's notchless display, it's punch hole. Okay, I am playing with maximum level settings. How it's run gaming? Now it's time, it's anniversary event mode. How it's run gaming experience? I am playing some matches around 15 minutes. It's run quite good. No struggle, no stutter, everything run quite good and very smooth experience. The final result 15 minutes gaming review K40 and K40 Pro just drained 5% battery, also heating it's 42 degree. After the benchmark the result is little bit different. K40 Pro it's 44 degree temperature. It's not huge because I'm playing PUBG. After